Alright, just wanted to go over something on these Keihin FCR carbs. This particular one is from a 2007 Yamaha YFZ 450 ATV. This type of Keihin layout is used in a lot of different carbs, the FCR carbs, with the mid-body like this. This is something that might be overlooked, I think, in a lot of rebuilds and a lot of cleaning and troubleshooting when people are trying to figure out if the quads or dirt bikes have been sitting around for a long time, or a year or two, or they bought them unknown and they're trying to figure out, how to set them up right or get them running right. One thing that, like I said, I think is overlooked is this splitting on a mid-body. And I'm going to show you why right here. A common thing for people to do is to soak these things in carb cleaner, and the O-rings, this ring right here that bolts on to the mid-body, has got a little hole right inside there. As you can see, that little hole right there. And it's completely plugged off because the O-ring material is basically liquefied and turned into goo by harsh carb cleaner. And this is one from another carb I have. Same thing. That's the hole right there, and it's completely blocked off by liquefied O-ring material in the mid-body. The rest of it here is, you can't tell the difference between the aluminum and the rubber. The rubber is completely solidified and deteriorated. So yeah, this is toast. Happens on quite a few of these. So this becomes, after a few years, these things have been out now. You got to change these O-rings, and this is the kit that I like. It's made by Keihin. This is the particular part number for the 04 to 09 YFZs. There's a few different kits out there. There's Moose Racing, all balls, some no names. I don't particularly like the other ones. I like the Keihin. It comes with the best hardware. The O-rings fit the best. And I think this is an essential thing of going through your carb. If you're jetting it, or if your carb is just old and you suspect, you might have some starting or running issues, separate the mid-body. The screws are safety Torx, so they're not as easy to get. You might have to get a safety Torx kit, and you're gonna have to chip out the old O-rings and clean this really well. This can take quite a bit of time. The factory uses a rubber glue to adhere the O-ring to the groove, and it can make a little bit of a mess. So, but totally worth it. And like I said, if your machine is not running right, this particular one is for the pilot jet, which covers your basically kind of idle to up to 8th throttle or so, quarter throttle maybe. And you're going to want to make sure that that operates correctly, or else you'll be stalling, you'll have to run with the choke on, things like that. And that sucks. So just making a note of it, and I appreciate everybody watching.